All right, everybody, welcome back. Episode 30 of my Game of the Year run of Astrobot. This game has been really fun. It has had some really unique gameplay. It has had some of the most intuitive controls that I have ever run across. Just everything feels natural and smooth. And it's just, honest to God, adorable and fun to play. Still can't call it my Game of the Year. Metaphor Refantasio still has that title from last year, but this has been a lot of fun, and I have been really pleased with both the response I've gotten to playing this and to just how much fun I've had. So anyway, glad you guys are here. Let's dive on into Orbital Blitz. I wasn't sure if I was going to get that or not. That was kind of cool. I have a feeling I like this level already. It's a charmer. Woohoo! Barely got up there to get you, little dude. Prototype pilot, we got you. God, it's so hard not to just grin like an idiot little kid when you're playing this. Alright, here we go. I don't feel like I deserve that one, but I'll take the L. It's gonna be the rocket rooster. I love it. So, look for shadows is what the game's trying to prompt me. That I can do, Windows. Right. Now I remember what to do. It definitely involves going down there. But also breaking all of those. I really assumed there was going to be a little thing down here. Oh, there might still be. There's something down here for sure. What the heck? Okay, okay. That made more sense. Let's do that. Let's pick up all these. All of them. All of them. We're not messing around. We're only doing this once. Very cool. Little work, but we got him. Oh, and just warps me right back out. That's awesome. What a nice little touch. I had a feeling that's how I was going to have to do it. Oh, wrong way. Those. I think I'm missing like a puzzle piece or something at this point. I feel like I should peek around a little. Make sure there's nothing. Aha! It wasn't a puzzle piece, but it was something. Okay, I don't see any others that look obviously hidden, so we might be in decent shape. We might be in decent shape. I needed to... I don't know what I needed. Huh. I'm not 100% sure how to handle this, folks. Team, fellas, community. I said before, chat feels weird. It doesn't feel natural. It doesn't feel like that's the way it's supposed to be done. It feels like I should be able to de-electrify this somehow, but I don't fucking see it. Wait a minute. Okay. Thought for a second maybe I could flip him. Oh! Okay, that was not fun. I'm not gonna lie. That was kind of obnoxious. Okay, and that's not a puzzle piece, so I don't particularly care. Like any platform, there are going to be parts that kind of suck. Woo! Okay. Alright, well, that was interesting. Alright. Whew. Say surely that didn't kill me. I like this. I like this. This zipper touch. Huh. Oh, I missed a couple. I missed a couple. Oh, I see one. And probably the other. Well, that's likely fixable. I'm only missing one puzzle piece, so it's probably still out there. Oh! That was barely. That was barely. Alright. Feeling real good about my choices now. Alright, very cool. Very cool. I thought I'd charged up my spin attack enough. That was close. Why do I feel like it's no, Tim, don't do anything super crazy. A little crazy is okay. Oh, there it is. Nice. That's everything. Hell yeah. Cleared that level with a quickness. I mean, maybe not like quickness, but just let me have it. Oh, there's probably going to be a boss. There's been a boss on all the other ones. Yeah, there is. Cool. Cool. Is that enough? Was that enough? 3? Okay, usually 3 is enough. Whew. Well, that was really fun, guys. And it was pretty fast. Let's go ahead and see what this boss has to tell us. Meh, so we missed that. Who cares? Who cares? Now watch, we got through that quick, and this boss will take me like 18 minutes and 40 tries. Come on, little bot buddies. Well, it's a gorgeous level. And that's always something. That's always nice. Little gadget. Oh, metal ball again. Interesting choice. What the heck? Not yet then, not yet then. You have very clearly not played this game if you're like, oh, it's derivative. Oh, there's nothing innovative. There's nothing unique about it. No, you're wrong. You're very wrong. It is wildly unique. Mother Header. Lordy be. Might be it. That might be it. No. Oh no! That was my last life too. Dang, I thought I was gonna finally beat one of these fuckers first try. One of these dang bosses. Oh lord. That's gonna make it really hard. Alright, here we go. You have the grace of just like letting me handle it there. Come on, do your beat thing. That was like not going the way I needed it to at first. That's okay, you can tell I'm focused right now. I'm not doing much talking. Not doing much talking right now. I can't call it... No, this is challenging. I don't know if I'd say it's difficult, but it's challenging. There's enough going on here that you gotta pay attention. Same thing. Same thing as last time. God dang. Nuts and bolts I got. Consistently dodging these fudgers and staying on the damn bird. Alright, now. Stay on the damn bird. I'm not sure how I didn't lose a life there. I really should have got hit. Like that was a hit I should have taken that I deserved. I'm okay that I didn't take it, but like I should have. Alright, dodge these big ones. Immediately don't dodge them. They're fucking terrible at this. I have to like do it again? This sucks. Motherfucker. Oh, well, this one's not kid friendly. I've cussed way too many times. Looks like that's yeah, it's fixed already. Right. I'm quite confused. It's like the damage I'm doing is not lasting. No! I was like, no! Don't do this to me, game. Those are always a challenge. That was a heck of a one. And a Taylor, of course. Ah, so good. Alright, so we're going to have a Horizon level next. I love it. I love it. Thanks for joining me, guys. That was a lot of fun. A little bit of a longer Astrobot episode, but that was a lot of fun. I will see you next time. Take care.